and we'll go File, New, and now we want to make another new one, and this time we're going to call this one last name, first initial, and this one's Subtractive B. This time we want the background to be transparent. Okay, so we don't want it to have a white background, we want it to have a transparent background. So check to make sure that transparent is selected over here and create that. So here we are, and this is in Subtractive B. We want to make sure to create a frame animation again, and this time we're going to change the color to blue. I'm going to select the brush tool. I know I have the right size brush tool because I said it before. So it's 24 with a hard edge of 100. I'm going to Command Save to make sure it's saved in the same folder. So it's the same folder I was in before. And there it is. And now I'm going to draw an entire letter B. And you can see the transparency is there. I'm going to make a nice B. Now, some of you might be finding that you've got snapping interfering. So if you have snap turned down, if snap's turned on, sometimes it will grab your brush when you get near it, and you'll end up with jagged edges on your letters. So if you need to turn off the snapping, it's under View. So here's the B. I'm going to Command Save. And this time we're going to erase a little bit of this B and then duplicate each frame. So I'm going to leave this one solid. I've selected my eraser tool. I go up to make sure that it's a nice hard edge, and I want it to be larger than the tool I used to paint my B with, which was 24. So let's make it 35. And so 35 will be big enough to cover it entirely. We want to have a hard edge again, so we don't have fuzzy, unerased parts. And now we're going to duplicate this layer. Once again, you duplicate by using Command J. So there's Command J. And now I'm going to come here and I'm going to start to erase part of my B. You can start anywhere you want. This time I'm going to start in the middle. So I'm going to erase a little bit. Now notice that it looks like nothing's happened. That's because the background is transparent, and if you erase something, you're seeing the background. You're seeing the one that's the layer below. So you want to turn off the eyeball and then make sure that you have a good erased edge. There we go. Command Save. Now Command J. And remember to turn off the eyeball and then erase some more. Once again, we want to erase about enough so we end up with 10 or 15 frames. Command Save, Command J, and then we got to erase. Turn off the eyeball, and I'm going to go up. Command Save, Command J, turn off the eyeball, erase. Command Save, Command J, turn off the eyeball, erase some more. Command Save, Command J, turn off the eyeball, erase some more. You have to do repetitious things when you're doing frame by frame animation. Command Save, Command J, erase some more. Oh, I forgot to turn off the eyeball. Boom, there you go. Command Save, Command J, turn off the eyeball, and erase some more. Command J, Command Save, turn off that eyeball, and erase some more. Now you see I'm going past my 10 frames. Command Save, Command J, turn off the eyeball, and erase a lot more because I don't want this to last forever. Command Save, Command J, turn off that eyeball, erase some more. Command Save, Command J, turn off the eyeball, erase even more. Command Save, Command J, turn off the eyeball, and I'm going to erase everything. Command Save. Okay, once again, and let's put this in the middle. So to put it in the middle, you double click the hand tool. Everything's in the middle. So here we go. And now I am going to say, turn on all the eyeballs. Command save. Come over to the context sensitive menu at the upper right hand corner of the timeline. Click, and we want to make frames from layers. Command save and press the space bar to preview. There you go. It works. It's going fast. We're going to shift click, click and shift click, and then we're going to select the number at the bottom of the frame and select delay of 0.1 second. Command save, play it, and it goes nice and slow now. Command save, and now we will output. So come up to File, Export, Render Video, and we want to make sure that it's going into the correct folder. There it is, and we want to create a new subfolder and call it Subtractive B. And now we want to come down. We got PNG, size, document size, 10 frames per second, all frames, alpha channel. Turn on the alpha channel, straight unmatted. Boom. Now we're going to have an alpha channel. This will render with a background that is transparent. There we go. So now we're done with that one. Let's look at our folder. I should look at our folder to be good. See, here's our folder, and there they are. And you can go through them and make sure that they work. Looks good.